Hi everyone, and welcome to our pumpkin video. Today we are going to be making a no-carve pumpkin. We'll decorate it using craft materials. We're going to be carving a traditional jack-o'-lantern, and we're going to be baking the pumpkin seeds that we have left over. For this video, you're going to need adult supervision for the carving portion and for the baking portion. Let's get started. Let's start with the no-carve pumpkin tutorial. So for this, we're going to be making a mummified pumpkin. You're only going to need toilet paper, scissors, some tape or glue, and I've got some googly eyes here, but you can even make these out of paper. Any child can do this. There's very low risk involved. You don't even actually have to use the scissors. Let's get started. So first, we'll put on our googly eyes, put tape on the back and stick them on, and then we'll start wrapping our toilet paper. You can do this in sections or you can do it all at once, whatever you prefer. This is a great way to make use of a pumpkin so that you can actually decorate it twice. You can do this, take everything off, and then you can carve it later on, closer to Halloween, so that your pumpkin doesn't go bad. And here we have it. So now we're going to be making our kitty cat pumpkin. So we're making a mask out of black felt that we have here. This is some cardstock, if you like to put up some stand-up ears, some more googly eyes, tape, yarn, and permanent markers for drawing on the face. Let's get started. So here we're cutting the mask by folding the felt in half and drawing the points for the ears and cutting it out. Now we're going to fold the mask out and cut out the holes for the eyes by making another fold and snipping. You're going to want to make the holes for the eyes about the same size or a bit smaller than the googly eyes, so it looks like really nice cat eyes. And once you have the holes for the eyes all cut out, you will make holes on either side for the string that you'll put through to attach it to your pumpkin. So measure your string before, cut it and put it through. Then you'll tie a little knot as a stopper. You could also make a mask for your child or for yourself to wear to match your pumpkin. You could do something like Batman even. That would match really great. Tie it around, secure it, and next you can decorate the mask. Slide your googly eyes in with some tape and then draw on the mouth. Then you can decorate it however you like. I use these little jewels. Next up, let's carve our pumpkin. We're going to do the classic jack-o'-lantern design. So to carve your pumpkin, you'll need something to draw with, like a black marker, a spoon to scoop out your pumpkin seeds, and a bowl to put them in because we're going to save them for later, not waste them. And you're going to need something to carve. I have here some knives to carve with. An adult will have to do the carving if you only have knives. Or you can get things like child-friendly carving kits at the dollar store that have tools with duller edges for kids to do some carving. Otherwise, these will be used by adults only. Let's get started. So first you're going to draw on your eyes. This is the timeless design for jack-o'-lanterns. You can make the mouth as big or as small as you like. The more jagged edges, the harder it will be to carve. Next, clean out your pumpkin. Make sure you save all of the seeds to make use of them after. This part can be especially fun for kids as they love to stick their hands in and get messy. Next, you can start cutting outside the black lines so you don't have any permanent markers showing on your pumpkin. Then you can pop them out. This part's quite satisfying. And you're going to want to clean up your pumpkin so you don't have messy strings. Put your light inside, and there it is. Now that our pumpkin is carved, we have to deal with the seeds. We're not going to throw them away. We're going to bake them in the oven to have as a snack for later. So let's head over and rinse out all the gunk, and then we'll dry them out, season them, and put them in the oven. So first you're going to rinse in cold water, separate all of the messy pumpkin insides from the seeds, dry them on a paper towel, and then you'll season. I use some chili powder and garlic powder, but you could use paprika or whatever you like. Also add a little bit of olive oil and mix. Then you're going to lightly grease your pan with some olive oil. Also make sure you've preheated the oven to 350 degrees.
Scoop out the seeds and lay them in a flat layer along the pan. Have them not overlapping. Then you'll bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're a nice golden color.
Now we have our baked and seasoned pumpkin seeds ready to eat, our decorated mini pumpkin, and our lit jack-o'-lantern. I hope you enjoy these activities and have a happy and safe Halloween. Bye!